Hey, fifth grade. I am using Screencast-O-Matic to try to show you how to move your People Notes template to your state folder. Some of you might know how to do all this already. If you do, then you do not have to watch this video. I will let you all know that this is new for me, so thank you for being patient. Okay. Log into your account, go to Google Drive. Okay, which I'm here already, Google Drive. Okay, in Google Drive, you will see your classroom folder. Over here also, to the left on the drive, you can use this little arrow to do a drop-down menu. And I'm dropping down all my menus over here so I have something to drag into. What I wanted to do was find my state folder. Now I'm coming over here. I have found the People Notes template. I'm going to drag that into my Tennessee state folder. Why do I want it there? So that I can find your notes as you fill them out. All right. Post any questions if you have them. On the next video, I will show you some note-taking tips.